So, coming towards the leadership styles that are being followed in today's times, first we have level 5 leadership. So, there is an exhibit shown to you in the PowerPoint slide, जिसमें 5 levels हैं of an organizational member. Level 1 is individual, level 2 is a team member, level 3 is manager, level 4 is leader, and level 5 is executive. So, this is about where the organizational member stands in relation to his contribution in the organization. तो जो first level है individual level, जहाँ पर the leader can be called as the organizational member can be called as capable. वहाँ पे वो simple अपने part पे जो contribution कर रहा है, he is only concerned about that. Level 2, the purple one, he is looking at what others are bringing, and uski harmony mein he is bringing something to the table. Level 3, the brown one, wahan pe he becomes more competent, and he is actually managing his team members and assets to reach organizational objectives. Level 4 pe he's not only managing, but he's also stimulating high standards, champions dedicated to vision. And जो last level है level 5 का, that's the highest level that a leader can achieve, and he at this level builds excellence through dedication and humility. So a key characteristic of level 5 leaders is an almost complete lack of ego. जो humility है, that's what lack of ego is, and that's coupled with a fierce resolve to do what is best for the organization. That is his will. Humility means being unpretentious and very modest, down to earth, rather than arrogant and prideful or proud. In contrast to the view of great leaders as larger than life personalities, ठीक है, like leader कितने ऐसे भी होते हैं जो they have very high regard of themselves, and they have strong egos and big ambitions. Level 5 leaders जो हैं उनके contrast में, they often seem shy and self-effacing. They are very selfless. Although they accept full responsibility for mistakes, poor results, or failures, level 5 leaders are always willing to give credit for success to other people. Level 5 leaders build organizations based on solid values that go far beyond just making money, with a resolve to do whatever is needed to make the company successful over the long term. अच्छा, ये जो level 5 के leaders होते हैं वो बहुत ambitious भी होते हैं अपनी companies के लिए. I mean companies के लिए जितने वो ambitious होते हैं, it can be said that वो उससे ज़्यादा होता है जितने वो अपने खुद के लिए ambitious होते हैं. This attitude becomes highly evident in the area of succession planning, because जो level 5 leaders होते हैं उनके बारे में कहा जाता है that they develop a solid core of leaders, core as in CORPS वाला, throughout the organization. तो जब वो leave कर देते हैं organization को at any point due to any reason, the company can continue to thrive and grow even stronger. जबकि इसके contrast में जो egocentric leaders होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं that they often set their successors up for failure, because it will be a testament to their own greatness if the company doesn't perform well without them. So rather than building an organization around one genius with 1,000 helpers, level 5 leaders जो होते हैं, they want everyone to develop to their fullest potential. The next style of leadership is servant leadership. अच्छा, this needs to be understood here that ये जो हम leadership styles पढ़ते हैं, they are not exclusive of one another. जरूरी नहीं कि अगर एक leader servant leader है तो वो level 5 leader नहीं हो सकता. I mean, it's just that there is some significant point about each style of leadership. कुछ significant point है जो उसको differentiate करता है दूसरे leadership style से. It's just that, but it's not exclusively different from another leadership style, each of these that we are going to cover. So Jack Welch का नाम आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, who has been a long time CEO of General Electric. When he speaks to MBA students, he reminds them that anytime you are managing people, your job is not about you, it's about them. It starts out about you as an individual in a company, but once you get a leadership job, it moves very quickly to being about them. Some leaders operate from the assumption that work exists for the development of the worker as much as the worker exists to do the work. ठीक है, so they understand this point कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए वर्कर्स जितना काम कर रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को भी वर्कर्स के लिए इतना काम करना चाहिए. The concept of servant leadership it first came up in 1970s, and the description or definition of it can be that a servant leader transcends self-interest to serve others, the organization, and the society. ठीक है, so he is completely selfless, and selflessness is the one feature that differentiates this type of leadership from other styles. इसकी जो एक स्टनिंग एग्जांपल है वो ये हो सकती है कि back in 2009 when a US flagged cargo ship by the name of Maersk Alabama, it was seized and raided by Somali pirates. Captain Richard Phillips ordered crew members of the ship, because they were unarmed, so they were ordered not to fight, and he actually gave himself up as a hostage to free the ship and crew. ये जो स्टोरी है कैप्टन के डिलेमा की और रेस्क्यू की, इट्स डिपिक्टेड इन 2013 मूवी एज वेल बाय द नेम ऑफ कैप्टन फिलिप्स, sorry, or it stars Tom Hanks. I don't know if you people have seen it or not. अगर हम इस चीज को, इस सारे सिचुएशन को कंट्रास्ट करें विद द बिहेवियर ऑफ कैप्टन फ्रांचेस्को शेटिनो, उन पर ये एलिगेशन थी कि उन्होंने अपनी शिप को अबैंडन कर दिया जबकि पैसेंजर्स स्टिल अबोर्ड थे आफ्टर द लग्जरी क्रूज लाइनर कोस्टा कॉन्कॉर्डिया हिट अ रॉक एंड सैंक ऑफ द कोस्ट ऑफ इटली इन 2012, और उससे तकरीबन कोई 30 people they were killed. So Schettino has been charged with manslaughter, shipwreck and abandoning ship. तो उसने अपनी जान बचाने के बारे में ज्यादा सोचा and he abandoned his people. In contrast, जो Captain Phillips and he gave himself up for his people. So that's how servant leadership works. अच्छा, सर्वेंट लीडर की पाकिस्तान में जो हमें बेहतरीन एग्जांपल मिल सकती है, दैट्स अब्दुल सत्तार एदीज. I mean, he gave away his luxuries or whatever he could have done for himself for the people of the country. So that's what a true servant leader is.